Use a green dot card. The green dot card is a prepaid card from Visa MasterCard. This is a more convenient way of handling your money if you do not want handling cash. It is better than using a credit card since you do not have to worry about fees and interests that you need to pay. You can load the green dot prepaid card with money and use it on participating outlets throughout the county. To learn more about how to use the green dot card, read the tips that are provided below. Get a green dot card. First, you have to get your very own green dot card. You can visit the website Green Dot Reloadable Prepaid Cards. Click on the link Get a Card or Register a New Card on the tabs above the page to see how you can get a green dot card. Another option is to purchase a card from participating stores near your area. Some basic information will be asked when you get a card, such as your name, address, birth date and social security number. Load your green dot card. Next, you have to load credits into your green dot card. There are several ways to do this. The first option is to deposit directly to your green dot card. You can choose to have your salary deposited straight to your green dot card, or you can also choose to just deposit a portion of your salary. Another option you have for loading your green dot card is to transfer money from your bank account. Be aware that some banks will charge you for the money transfer to your green dot card. You can also load your green dot card using Money Pack. Purchase Money Pack from prepaid sellers and transfer the amount to your green dot card. You can learn more about loading your green dot card by visiting the website Green Dot Online. Adding funds. Use your green dot card. Now you can use your loaded green dot card in any retail store or shopping center where Visa MasterCard is accepted. It is that easy to use the green dot card. You can check the remaining credits on your green dot card or view a complete list of your transactions with the card by logging onto the website Green Dot Online. If you want to receive alerts for your transactions regularly, you can make use of the Request Account Alerts feature, where you can receive information about your account through email or your mobile phone. These are the basic steps that you can follow for using a green dot card. There are different types of green dot cards that are available for consumers. You can view the complete list of the cards and the fees associated with them by going to the website Green Dot Reloadable Prepaid Card Products. Applicants for the Green Dot card must be at least 18 years of age to register. Learn more about the frequently asked questions for the Green Dot card products by going to the website Frequently Asked Questions.